Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm gonna talk to you about how I managed to fix my RX 5600 XT from constantly crashing during gameplay. Most of the time when I'm playing Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War or like Modern Warfare or even like Shadow of Tomb Raider, the game runs fine for like 5 or 10 minutes and then instantly I get a crashing screen, like my monitor turns black and then I get like a DirectX error and my Radeon software crashes and then it starts up again. So I went through so many troubleshooting stuff and I managed to fix it now for me. Hopefully it works for you as well. Um, but thing is, I recently bought a new graphic card, which is the RX 5600 XT, and I thought my graphic card was faulty, so I was going through the process to replace it, but then I figured out a fix for this problem, and now I can play games normally now without crashing, which is good. So I'm gonna share with you how I went through this and what I did to resolve this problem. Now, first thing I did was to check my PCIe power cable that connects to my graphic card, which is this one. This one that comes from the power supply to the graphic card. I checked this connector. It seemed fine, but I just unplugged it and then plugged it back in. So I just reseated it just in case if it's not plugged in or not. So I advise you to like plug it off and then plug it back in, or just use a different one if you have another one from your power supply. The second thing also that was causing crashes is because I had MSI Afterburner installed. If you're not sure what MSI Afterburner is, it's a software by MSI that you can um, overclock your GPU and also monitor the temperatures and the power usage and stuff like that. So I had that installed on my computer, and the thing is, I think it was causing crashing because it was clashing with the Radeon software. Because in the performance tab in the tuning bit, it also have some overclocking stuff. So I had that installed and also the MSI Afterburner installed, and I think it was they both clashing with each other and they were causing instabilities and that causes the GPU to crash. So I had to remove that from my computer. All you have to do is like go to your settings and then apps and then just search for like MSI Afterburner. But I already uninstalled it and then you can just remove it from here. So that solved the problem for me. Um, and ever since I deleted MSI Afterburner and also I've reseated my power cable, the GPU seemed to be running fine ever since, and it's been about 5 or 6 days from that date, and I've been playing games normally, no crashes, and everything's stable. So I advise you to reseat your power cable or use a different connector if you have. And if you have MSI Afterburner installed or even the River Tuner software, I advise you to like remove them because it's gonna clash with the Radeon software. So, and also another thing, if you have an overclocking settings here in the tuning bit, I found that the VRAM tuning was causing some crashes as well. So, for example, I had it like maxed out, and it was causing the VRAM to crash the graphic card. So I had to like lower it down step by step, and then like I lowered it, and then I played games, and it crashed, and then I lowered it again, played games, and it crashed. So I lowered it to 103 and it seems to be working fine, which is about 1800 megahertz. Um, so I advise you to also lower your VRAM tuning if you have it enabled, because it's gonna cause some crashes. Um, so that's everything that I went through, but thankfully it's running fine now. Um, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment and then I'll try to help you and then answer your questions. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Peace.